Hello, traffic, Sling 4, Sierra Kilo Zulu is rolling 18 for maiden flight. Hello, traffic.
To introduce myself, I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around for a long, long year, stole many a man's soul of faith.
Here we go!
I was around when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made damn sure the pilot washed his hands and sealed his face.
Tower traffic, Jabu 4781 turns the close base. Number 1, touch and go, runway 18, Ballarat.
What's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was a time for a change. Killed the Tsar and his ministers. Anastasia screamed in vain. I rode a tank, held a generous rank when the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. Oh yeah. I was puzzling you is the nature of my game. Oh yeah. I watch with glee while you kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the gods they made. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedys? When after all, it was you and me. Let me please introduce myself. I'm a man.
Hello, traffic, Sling 4, Sierra Kilo Zulu is on climb through 3000. We'll be orbiting overhead field at 4000. Hello, traffic.
Pleased to meet you. Hope you get my name. Oh yeah. But what's puzzling you is the
Simon, everything in the green, is it?
Yes, mate, it's all looking very good.
What fuel flow are you showing?
5000 RPM, I'm showing about 24 litres.
What manifold pressure?
About 30.
Bit high. You've got the turbo though, haven't you?
Yeah, you couldn't get to that with natural aspirated.
Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road, yeah.
What is indicator?
It's slow, about 85 at the moment.
Got your flaps up?
Oh, those things. Yeah, no, flaps up.
Ballarat traffic, Cessna 172 Yankee X-ray Romeo, taxiing runway 18 for west training area 5000, Ballarat. Cancel in runway 18, cancel in departure for west training area 5000, Ballarat.
Make him understand. The world on you depends, our life will never
good afternoon, descending flight level 250.
Sorry, 904 Centre, could I report indicated speed?
Indicated speed 220 for the moment.
Sorry, 904, roger, increase 250 knots, disregard the Wendy time.
Thank you very much, increase.
She doesn't want to come down, Keith.
Can you repeat that?
It doesn't like coming down.
Come from all around to watch the magic board. Down on the corner, out in the street, playing the boy, the playing, ringing.
Right, looks like you're on 05, not 13 actually.
You're absolutely correct.
I couldn't see you, I was just looking at 13, I could not see you there. And I just saw you here, sorry about that. Well, we'll hold here anyway, you do the aim, till you do the landing.
Sling 4 Sierra Kilo Zulu on 05. I'll hold short of 18, let you go.
Cheers mate, and Seminole Victor Delta India rolling runway 18, alright.
Relax, I need some information first. Just the basic facts. Can you show me where it hurts? There is no pain, you are receding. A distant ship smoke on the horizon. You are only coming through in waves.
Sling 4 Sierra Kilo Zulu entering and taxiing on 18 for Alpha. Power traffic.